Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix dark mode on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here at the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and here you're gonna find your profile page. So go ahead and click on your profile section. And then once you're here, go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Instagram account. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is scroll down until you find your app and media. And then here under it, you're going to find device permissions, archiving and downloading, accessibility and translation, language, data usage and media quality, and lastly, app website permissions. So right now, click on accessibility and translations. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find two options, captions and translations. And under it, you're going to find dark mode. Go ahead and click on dark mode. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find three options. Here, you can turn the dark mode on. You can turn it off. And then here, you're going to find system defaults. So basically, guys, system defaults will follow your system mode. So basically, guys, if your phone is on dark mode, Instagram will be on dark mode. And if it's on light mode, Instagram is going to be on light mode. So if you want to make it always light mode, just turn it off. And then as you can see, guys, right now, we removed the dark mode. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.